Get connected with the multiple connectivity solutions in your BMW with Operating System 9. Connect your smartphone to your BMW via Bluetooth by going to Connect Telephone and select Connect New Device. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are activated on your smartphone. When it appears in the Mobile Devices menu, select it. A pairing code appears on the BMW Interaction Unit and on your smartphone. Does it match? Click Pair and choose between Bluetooth only, or if you want to use Android Auto as well. Choose Android Auto. It will be launched automatically. Open the Apps overview on the left bottom side. The Home button in the bottom center brings you back to the BMW menu. Via the now added Android Auto button, you can switch back to it at any time. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.